Hello everyone, in front of me is NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer, then choose the contact that you want to personalize, select Edit, and mark Add Picture. You can choose either something from your gallery, from Google Photos, or you can grab a picture right now. So let me do it. Let me do it right now. As only you grab a photo, tap on confirmation mark and then customize it to suit your preferences. Tap on choose and save it by tapping on save. Well, that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.